Hi, this is Adam from Tyms. Today, I'll walk you through how to create fixed assets using prompts. Fixed assets are valuable items your business owns and uses over a long period, such as office furniture, machinery, or vehicles. Instead of entering these assets manually, you can simply describe what you want in plain language, and Adam, your AI accounting assistant, will create the records for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to record your fixed assets in simple language or prompts. Review and edit your records. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the top navigation bar and click More. From the menu, select Fixed Assets. This takes you to the Fixed Assets table, where you can manage your business assets and track their depreciation. To record a fixed asset, click the Create button and select Ask Adam. A modal will appear where you can provide the details of the assets you'd like to record. You can either attach a document containing your fixed asset details or simply describe the assets in plain language. If you're uploading a document, keep in mind that it should contain no more than 15,000 words, which is approximately 100 asset entries, and PDF files should not exceed 10 pages. Once you've entered your prompt or attached your document, click Submit. Adam will process your request and automatically create the fixed asset records based on the information you've provided. The newly created asset will appear in the Fixed Assets table, where you can review all the recorded details. If you need to make changes, use the three-dot icon menu to access additional operations or edit the information directly within the table. To view the details of a recorded asset, navigate to the menu options and select Open. This takes you to the Asset Record, where you can view its overview, depreciation schedule, and any payments recorded for the asset. And that's how easy it is to create fixed assets using prompts. Thank you for watching and see you next time.